Hi, I'm Tom,
And I'm Anahita.
and today we're exploring how predictive maintenance, powered by AI, is transforming industrial operations across sectors like manufacturing, energy, defence and logistics.
Predictive maintenance means anticipating equipment issues before they cause disruption. Instead of waiting for machinery to fail or relying on scheduled checks, AI analyzes data from IoT sensors and operational systems in real time to spot early warning signs.
This reduces downtime, cuts maintenance costs, improves workplace safety and minimises human exposure to hazardous environments. For example, it could mean solar farm engineers spending less time patrolling hot areas of desert.
But predictive maintenance is no longer just about clever algorithms. The most powerful predictive maintenance systems create strong partnerships between AI and human experts.
So, when the AI model detects an anomaly or predicts a potential failure, it doesn't simply trigger an automated response. Instead, it might provide rich information to a maintenance specialist who can use their judgment and expertise to make an informed decision.
This is where recent advances in Gen AI are reshaping this field. Gen AI in predictive maintenance can create detailed explanations of what might be happening, generate multiple maintenance scenarios, projecting outcomes for each, produce visual representations to explain complex situations, and draft maintenance procedures tailored to specific scenarios.
Technicians can interact with the system using intuitive interfaces and ask follow-up questions in natural language like, "What if we adjust this parameter?" or "Show me similar cases from other facilities," and the AI would respond with relevant information, alternative solutions, and projected outcomes, becoming a collaborative partner in the process.
This loop of human-AI collaboration can drive continuous improvements. As technicians give feedback on AI recommendations and log which solutions work best, the system refines its approach. In turn, human experts become more proficient with the AI tools.
By positioning AI as a supportive tool, organisations can boost confidence in the technology and upskill their teams for the future of industrial operations.
Of course, predictive maintenance still relies on clean data supplied by IoT hardware paired with robust real-time integration platforms, often referred to as data control towers. These integration platforms connect IoT feeds directly with operational systems, ensuring insights flow seamlessly to the right people at the right time.
They become a central truth, enabling adaptable planning and forecasting in changing circumstances, breaking down silos and providing a single view of planning, execution and results.
There are several barriers that can hold back any drive towards predictive maintenance. Many organizations face challenges around outdated infrastructure, legacy systems, or limited sensor coverage, especially in remote areas.
But with actionable guidance and a clear data strategy, it's possible to overcome these hurdles. The first step is to improve data quality and develop an organizational culture that values data-driven insights. An effective delivery and service management partner can be invaluable here.
Ultimately, the best predictive maintenance today is a blend of integration, machine learning, IoT, and collaboration between humans and AI. This approach maximizes asset care, reduces costs, and makes workplaces safer.
By unlocking this potential, we're not only fixing machines, we can power progress across the UK's most vital sectors. If you've got any questions about the topics covered today, please don't hesitate to get in touch.